Looking at this question, you might want to solve it yourself. You can pause the video, then come back later. Now, we can see that on this equation, we have the combination of the exponential part equation and the linear equation. But now you can see that you are to find the value of x, then you correct two decimal places. So how do you start? The idea is to first break down this exponential part that you'll be having 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1, then plus m to the times 3 to the power of x, then is equal to 2m plus 6 on the other side. So you can realize that on the left hand side you have the common factor 3 to the exponent x, that you can take it out just like that. Then therefore you will be having 3 plus m, then you close brackets. Then on the other side you just have it unchanged. Now, because you can see that you are looking for x, so whatever that it has x must be on a separated part that you have to divide by this both sides, so that you be left with this exponential function on the other side. So we'll be having 3 to the power of x then is equal to, when you divide by 3 plus m both sides, then you will be having 2m plus 6, then divided by, then it's going to be m plus 3, which is the same as 3 plus m. Okay, now having noticed that on the right hand side you can factorize by taking out on the numerator the value of 2, because it seems to be common on this term and on this term as well. So having taken 2, then you'll be left with m plus 3, then on the denominator you'll be having m plus 3, which is something common that you can just cancel these ones out. Then therefore you'll be left with this simple exponential equation, which of course we cannot change the bases to be the same, that you will need to then apply the logarithms. Now in the terms of logs, I'm not going to dwell much about going down to the basics of logs, that you have 3 as a base, then you have 2 there. Then when you press your calculator, log 2 base 3 is going to be, when you correct two decimal places, then you realize that you have 0.63 as the value of x that is required in this equation. Okay,